everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video, we're going to make this creamy and cheesy mac and cheese. This ultimate comfort food is made with a rich velvety sauce and a blend of 4 gooey cheeses. It's the perfect side dish or main course when you're craving something warm, cozy, and downright delicious. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need: 16 ounces of macaroni pasta, 8 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of milk, 3 cups of shredded Gruyere cheese, 3 cups of cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of whipped cream cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. In a small bowl, mix together 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Stir in 4 tablespoons of melted butter until the breadcrumbs are moistened, then set aside. Combine the 3 cups of shredded Gruyere and 3 cups of shredded cheddar into a bowl and set aside. Boil the macaroni in salted water until just before al dente, then strain and set aside. In the same pan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Sprinkle 4 tablespoons of flour over the butter and cook for 1 minute. Slowly whisk in 3 cups of milk until the sauce begins to thicken. Add the whipped cream cheese plus 4 cups of the cheese mixture and stir the sauce until the cheese has melted. Stir the cooked macaroni pasta into the cheese sauce. In a baking dish that has been sprayed with nonstick spray, pour half of the mac and cheese. Sprinkle the remaining cheese mixture over the macaroni, then pour the other half of the pasta over the cheese. Top with the breadcrumb mixture. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. I hope you love this mac and cheese as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.